Hi everyone, welcome back to Strings and Threads. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the moss stitch, one of the easiest and prettiest beginner stitches. It's perfect for scarves, blankets, dishcloths, mug rugs, and so much more. Let's jump right in. For this stitch, you can use any yarn and hook that you want. I'm using this scrap medium weight yarn. This was Big Twist. And with this, I'm going to be using an I or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. The foundation chain is worked up in even numbers, so you can start with any even number that you want. I am going to start with 12. Slip knot and then 12. For row 1, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 1, skip a chain, and then single crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip a chain, and then single crochet into the next. We're going to continue that all the way across. I'll do it one more time with you and then we'll pause and come back. Chain 1, skip a chain, single crochet into the next chain. For row 2, we're going to chain 1 and then turn. This row is super easy. You're going to stitch into the chain 1 spaces. So we're going to single crochet into the chain 1 spaces, chain 1, you're going to skip the single crochet from the row below and you're going to single crochet into the chain space. Chain 1, single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 1, single crochet into the next chain space, and we're going to continue that all the way across. So for row 3 and beyond, you're going to chain 1, turn, and repeat that the same exact way. You're going to single crochet into every chain space, chain 1, single crochet into the chain space, chain 1, and you're going to continue this until your project is its desired height. Once you reached your desired height, you'd fasten off, and that's it. You've mastered the moss stitch. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this moss stitch tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more tutorials and patterns. And be sure to come back for my From Stitches to Patterns series, where we'll turn this stitch into a project.